Alright, we've got our two 2x4s put together. We need to find some boards to lock this up with real quick. Alright. Going to 9.5 degrees. I'm dropping 1 foot over 6 feet. From the math, it's about 9.5 degrees. It'll be pretty darn close at least. Let's go. Alright guys, today we're framing up the walls. And instead of building a gabled roof, we're going to be building it more like a shed. So it's gonna drop 1 foot over a 6 foot span, which means 2 of our walls are going to be flat and 2 of our walls are going to have a 9.5 degree pitch on it. The very first wall that we're working on is just a solid wall, so we doubled up the 2x4s on either side of that. The second wall that we're working on now is going to have our door in it, which is also going to have our chicken door in it. And both of those are the walls with a pitch on them. And as always, the kids are always there to try and help, if nothing else. James loves numbers, so he likes to help out measuring things. Amelia likes playing more than anything. The third wall we're working on now, it's going to have our nesting boxes and it's going to have the vents in the very top. I don't know, we had a random dancing break here. I'm not sure what that was about, it's been a little while. And the very last wall we're building, it's gonna have our clean out on the bottom, and on the very top, it's also gonna have a vent. The way he designed it that way, so more of the breeze would go up and stay off the chickens. So during the winter time, they wouldn't get chilled too bad. But during the summertime, they have plenty of ventilation. If you would like to see how the rest of this chicken coop comes out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.